Don't do that.
Hey guys, this is redmanforging. I just want to make this short video to let you guys know that this month on the 20th, I'm going to do a $100 donation, and how you can become a part of that is become a part of the channel. Go watch the latest upload, which is the chopping knife video with a little toy truck in the thumbnail. Go watch that video all the way through. Leave a comment on that video. It can be a comment of W, any letter from A to Z or Z to A. Or you can leave, hey man, cool knife, whatever. Like the video and become a part of the channel. And we're going to call it a donation just to due to the guidelines. I'm thinking anything over 1,000, you have to have other people involved. I'm not really sure, and I'm not trying to get this channel deleted or canceled, so I'm going to give one of you guys a donation of $100. So become a part of the channel. Go watch the chopping knife video all the way through, like it and comment, and on the next 2 uploads, either one of them, and at the end of the video I will let you guys who won the donation. So stay tuned for that. And guys, thank you very much for watching my content, watching my videos. If there's anything that you don't like to see, let me know. You know, I'm very open to constructive criticism, and if there's anything that you would like to see, comment that down below. Anything, comment. And I just want to say again, thank you, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.